There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up everybody? What's up people? What's up? What's up everybody? Thank you for coming through, checking your girl out. You know how we do. We're gonna slay all day like it's our B-day. What's up y'all? Like seriously, what's up? I really hope you all are having like a really great day when y'all are watching this. I am back with some real voice, like, you know what I'm saying? For the past couple months, I really was doing like a lot of voiceovers, and it had a lot to do with just me wanting to get over and through the video quickly, plus also my teeth. So I am back, you guys, and I'm glad to see that y'all are all here. I hope y'all are all having like a great day, a blessed day whenever you are watching this, because your girl A is here to stay. I know y'all have seen like so many videos of me doing wigs and have-nots and whatevers, okay? And girl, listen, let me tell you, I love a good wig. I love a good wig. Who don't love a good wig? But today we are about to do a good slay. I always represent this company and I love them to pieces. I have worked with them for quite a few years now, maybe like 2 or 3, and I love their aesthetic. I love the amenities that they send to you when you order a unit. I love that they have evolved so much. Also, I do also love the fact that they have so many different outlets where you can purchase wigs from them. So with that being said, girl, today's video is a Unice hair video. Girl, when I tell y'all they send the best of the best of the best of the best of the best, they send the best of the best of the best of the best of the best. This box is curated just for you. It comes with all the necessities that you may need. Each box may have something different in it because they do have so many different amenities to share with you guys. They are on Amazon, they're on AliExpress, they have their own website, girl, and they're also very, very affordable. This is like the #1 top affordable wig brand. I kid you not. Unice hair has come through. They represent, and girl, when I tell you they have evolved, they have definitely evolved over the years that I have worked with them. So it's always a pleasure to work with them again. And this one right here, girl, look at the box. Like, look at the packaging. Come on now. Look at the packaging. Okay. It comes in a great sturdy box, girl. You can keep these if you like. Okay. Magnetic. It comes with all of these goodies inside. Now, like I said, each box is different. You may get 1, you may get 2, you may get all of the things that you see in this particular video. But girl, when I tell you, you get nails, bye-bye tape, edge control brush, melting band, HT wig cap, and the wig.
I've been trying my best not to think about you, but you're stuck in my mind. I've been hypnotized by you. Hey, all the suffering and pain got me feeling so blue. Cause when it was us, I was never enough. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah. I've been worrying about my mental health, cause when I'm alone, I keep checking my phone, yeah. Seeing all these people, having someone to lean on, while I don't. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah.
Right, y'all, look, listen, let me tell y'all something. I had to bring back some old school remedies, some old school products. Now, y'all know I have used this many times in past videos, and it's been sitting on my shelf just collecting dust. So I said, girl, let me bring out the Pump It Up. Okay, girl, we got to use the Pump It Up. Now, this right here is the best hairspray ever. The only thing I do wish is that they would put this in an aerosol can. If they put this in an aerosol can so that it can distribute evenly, I would be so happy. Like, girl, when I tell y'all that this is the best hairspray ever. So this was definitely an easy wig. Y'all see, I just adhered my wig with some tape. No hairspray, just some tape on the sides, and that's it. But the one thing that you definitely need to be cautious of is make sure that there are none of your hairs attached or in the way of this tape. Because, girl, when I tell you this tape is strong, this tape is definitely strong. It does definitely adhere. The one thing that I was super surprised about was the silk top. Definitely made a difference. And like when I tell you they give you enough security, you have an adjustable strap, you have a black elastic adjustable band, you also have a drawstring and a comb, so this unit is going to stay in place. It's not going to go anywhere. It's already pre-bleached, it's pre-plucked, it's pre-cut, it's pre-styled. Girl, this is the pre-everything. Okay, this unit is definitely sitting pretty. It's sitting pretty, and as you guys seen, I did put some layers into this unit only because I wanted to be a lot more fuller. This is 24 inches, 150% density. It's a 13x4 parting, and they give you the parting. Like, Unice here definitely gives you the parting. Get you a Unice wig. But I love you guys. I will definitely see you guys on the next video. On that note, stay diva and divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up, and you know what? I'll see you on the next one. Peace.